Have you thought about the 10 most expensive home repairs or how to avoid them? Owning a home is an awesome investment, but it comes with some risk. Do some basic maintenance to avoid major costs. Ready to buy or sell? If you're in the market, I can help. You can contact me, Don Alexander, or text 803-645-5792. So, some of the most expensive home repairs and how to avoid them to mitigate the risk of home ownership by spotting and taking care of minor repairs. That before they become major. These are the 10 highest cost problems you could encounter. For example, foundation repair, roof repair, broken water heater, termite damage, water damage, HVAC replacement, mold removal, new pipes, new plumbing, septic system repair, and electrical issues. So I don't know if you really have thought about these, but think about a foundation repair. The average cost to do that might be $500,000 to $15,000, and the issues could include a slope in the doors, pooling water, cracks or hard to shut windows or doors. Maintenance that can prevent this issue. So don't let soil get too dry, and check for proper drainage around the house, around the foundation. Roof repairs. Average cost to repair a roof might be $1,000 up to $10,000-$15,000. So if you notice leaks, visible damage, or missing shingles, you can have a roof problem. Maintenance and preventive maintenance can help solve this issue. So get regular inspections, visual inspect, take care of minor repairs right away. Think about broken water heater. The average cost to replace that might be $500, $1,500, I guess, depending on where you live. Broken water heaters may make strange noises, emit bad smells, not effectively heat water, or have pooling water in the drip tray. Maintenance can help prevent this issue. So check your pressure valve and get your water heater inspected, but things like that. So how about termite damage? Well, the average cost to repair termite damage might be $500,000 to $8,000, maybe even $10,000. It depends on the damage. So termite damage looks like swarms of bugs, wood or hollowed out tunnels, and mud tunnels along exterior walls. Maintenance can prevent this issue. So get termite monitors and traps installed. Pull mulch away from your foundation and get termite inspections on a regular basis. Have your home, fixed with a monthly inspection. How about water damage? The average cost to repair water damage, $2,000, might be more to that. Depends on the extent of damage. And you have musty smells, leaks anywhere in the roof or walls, mold and mildew growth, peeling or cracked paint. Maintenance can be prevented, or you have preventive maintenance rather, and clean your gutters and any pipes having leaks, or get your sump pump testing. How about HVAC, heating, ventilation, air conditioning replacement? Average cost to repair that might be $500 for repair, up to $2,500, maybe $10,000, $15,000 for that, depending on the size of your HVAC unit. So if you have your HVAC isn't working, heating and cooling correctly, it's making strange noises or giving off strange odors, or is resetting frequently, you may have mechanical or electrical issue. And maintenance that prevent this is get your HVAC system maintenance service every year, or maybe more often, depending on where you live. Replace air filters on schedule and clear away debris from outdoor units. How about mold removal? Average cost of mold repair is $2,000, or maybe more than that, maybe $5,000, maybe who knows, maybe more. A mold may be visibly or simply, it's probably not always visible, but you probably would have a discolored ceiling, dark spots, black spots. It may also cause respiratory issues for people in your home. Maintenance to prevent this issue would be like don't ignore plumbing leaks or perform regular mold inspections. How about new pipes? Plumbing cost repair $2,500 or more. If you notice damage on exposed pipes, water heaters, rusty water, you may have pipe issues. Maintenance that prevent this is don't use chemicals on your drains. Winterize your pipes during the cold weather months and get your pipes professionally cleaned out. Companies do that for you. How about a septic tank system? If you have a septic tank, because a lot of people don't have those anymore. Live in subdivisions where you have sewer, you don't have to worry about that so much. But anyway, average cost of repair, that might be $1,500 for septic system issues. And they may show up if you don't flush toilets right, drains go slow, and you have standing water in the yard. So to prevent this maintenance, you might want to use having the septic tank pumped out once every 3 to 5 years and inspect at least that often. How about electrical issues? Average cost to repair up to $15,000 or more. For rewiring, electrical issues may also be evident if circuit breakers trip a lot. Appliances cause electrical shocks, lights flicker, or switches stop working. So how that preventive maintenance is, electricity isn't a do-it-yourself task. You need to get a professional electrician to do that and make sure they're licensed and properly licensed, and they have the experience to make these repairs. So buyers going to a new home need to understand that their best option to avoid all these issues and repairs need to understand maintenance steps that will improve your home. So like I said, if I can help you with these things, just feel free to reach out to me. You can call me or text me at area code 803-645-5792. I'm at Wiregrass Auction Group. And so anyway, hope you like this video. If you do, like and like it, and if you will, if you please, just subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming out with other videos here that will be able to help you. So anyway, I hope you have a great day, and thank you very much for watching.